Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're playing the first lava. I'm playing with my sister. And we're going here. Quickly, let's go up. Before we fall guys. I'm behind you. Here's my sister guys, we're tall. No, I'm the older. Okay. Kadidi, irok sa itin.
This is what you will not expect.
Irok kayo sa itin.
You will not expect this.
Just stay there.
You'll never expect this. You'll never expect this.
Guys, my brother joined.
How did bro know I am here?
Oh no guys. The lava! Wow!
I'm just touching his supper.
I just got up to the top. No.
I still have my...
I
I
s-
survived!
I survived guys. Yes.
I still have my... Guys!
Okay guys. We won guys. Hmm.
Don't you say that at us. Guys.
Okay guys, there's a new black spark.
I'm here and I keep...
What?
Why do I keep getting needed back?
There's my brother guys. He looks like Vava.
He looks like Kaka. Why
Ah!
is that such round?
I got pushed.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, I got pushed. Let's see
I
guys.
got pushed on the lava.
Oh, I don't have enough to buy a cheeseburger. Hi guys. Yes, sana all. But I have lots of wins on the road
I
account.
got this. Wow. Wait, let me check my bag.
Let's go here guys.
I'm painting
Dave, look.
Roblox.
And guys, my little brother is looking at us. Steve, look, it's very fun.
I'm gonna paint the Roblox in the Roblox sign.
Ah!
Guys, today somebody have...
Okay guys, I'm playing parkour.
Guys,
Ah!
and my camera wouldn't move. This is too much brain rot. Which one?
Okay, this is the official account for our channel guys. Did you see this one?
And my body.
If you see this character guys,
When do
That's
we
me.
go? Kainan pinakata ko?
parkour guys.
Parkour! Kainan parkour. Why did I got poof?
Po.
Because this is the lava, baby.
Haha. My brother got pill guys. Chocolate is dangerous.
At least
go.
we can go to the mini parkour. At least I could eat this cheeseburger.
Ah! I fell guys.
I see the lava!
I fell guys. Oh shit. Ah!
I am going. Nakadi ako, ha?
Nobody survived guys.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Yeah.
Oh no. Hey guys. I'm the smallest of the bunch. I am not taller.
Guys, make your character big.
I don't
like us. Go to
Aramco.
everybody go to the building.
Yeah, after this guys, we're going to make a part 2. And there's a berry.
Guys, how did you know nobody survived?
I don't know.
Weird coincidence.
I just said it.
Who's the first? But just maybe you can't spray players.
I can't see nothing. Let's go to zombie bunker.
Zombie like
Park.
outside.
Bagyatin.
Bye.
Let's choose park. Let's go.
Where do we go?
The tree is the best. But I think up here is the best. Yeah, tree is the worst. Diamond! Oh, sana all.
Wait, pinakatakuan tree baga?
And so can you, it's transparent so you can't do one.
Guys, I think we gotta go on top of.
What, your brain?
What did you just Who's Maria? Isn't that the one that I've been watching? The one that not gave birth to a baby? Oh, no. Like,
I'm not friend
send to
everyone.
adoption center. I don't know.
If one of you guys is here,
Tulog ako.
okay guys, I have new friends. Darlene. Darlene is so weird. Hi, Dewey.
Ako.
I am the creator and almost famous. Okay.
At least we went to society.
Let's place Atlantis. And later, guys, let's pick Silent Town. Bizarro World. Oh.
The top is this. Maria, ako. I'm following you, bro. Why does it feel like spunky?
You're all to blame. You're all down.
There's another area.
Yeah, brother, so dumb.
I didn't even see that. I fall. No!
Guys, I'm the pro. Ah!
Said you're the pro.
Nobody will. No, I think 4 will survive. I think no one survive. Yeah, no one survive.
Nobody survived.
No one survive.
Nobody survived. Look, I'm the biggest of all.
No one survive.
Where did you go? Adi ako yung nagsagot sa
Ako ang ginawa. I'm at the cheeseburger area. Okay, guys, nobody survived. So I predicted.
Nobody survived. Yeah.
I'm the bebe. Hello,
You're
baba.
the bebe. You're the bebe.
Hi,
And
bro.
you're the papa.
OMG, brother, there's one. There, atin natin subscriber no sad. Hi.
Guys,
Fusion.
I just picked this letter. Think you found Fusion Gamer?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
I think one of our subscribers is here. Can I say hi, bro?
But she subscribing? Oh no, there's not a...
Ah, brother, fall, please.
Stoy! Wala na!
It's not granted.
Ah!
I know.
I feel, guys.
Busy man kita
I am
kung hinahanap siya man.
Sana all may diamond na.
May monster ala.
Ano kami hinahanap
Adi
siya?
ako sa talis.
Alam, may monster.
Adi ako sa pinakanak ko.
One will survive. I'll predict it, guys.
Extension na hanap ko. Kaya may makong extension.
Para sa aircon na bago.
Oo, sa amok ko lang extension.
One will survive.
Ito, grabe. Did you survive? Yes, survive na ako!
Correct, guys. One survive. I can predict.
Nakita ko pa rin sa taas ng cloud.
Dito ka kama. Isa, amok mo lang yung naghanap ako.
Ama, survive!
Okay, let's go.
The castle is the tallest.
Sure.
Yeah. 10, 9, 8. Wala pa gani ako nakasakot. I found it.
Pakuha ko ganda ko.
Diamond Found it. Coin, coin, coin.
I can't make it.
What?
I'm stuck.
My spinach so dancing. Did you oof? Yeah. Kuya Mateo. Did you oof? Oh, you're still here. Yeah, I'm still here. Can you go in there? There's a Chromie prize. Nah, I don't want to. I know you're gonna let me act. No,
Magbatay, Anit.
Just
Pa.
wait.
Dito
That's the
makawa.
power of friendship by jumping in. Wait. Then
Hoy!
2, 1, jump! Oh no. I didn't yay! Yes, I didn't even too. Yes, we are the winners!
Okay, guys. I'm back.
We are the winners! I'm eating cheeseburger.
Sana all.
Nagana kami! Yes! What should I eat?
Rainbow ladder.
This one. But, up the ship.
Oh, yeah.
Now bro got ragdolled.
Thank you for helping me,
Who?
Dame.
I see your diamond.
I'll be the one survivor. You little guy.
Stop!
somebody ragdoll me. I'm no last.
Wait, everybody knows this is the highest, right?
Hi, Tip. Give me that.
Jackie, give me my mama. Where are you? Did you poop? No. No, let's do the follow-up sip.
Laof man siya. Okay, guys. Let's just pick another game. So, let's leave. So, yeah. Let's go to Silent Town, guys.
Okay, log in to Silent Town. Wait, tayo nagalit si Kuya. Ayan. Maps official. Kuya, man!
Po?
Ang galit.
Damo-damo ka po.
Join
Cellphone
na-
daw ni Mama Friends.
That means Kuya Man, send
Okay, guys. Me and my sister will be playing Silent
I couldn't even
Town.
see that beat. Okay.
Okay, guys. A Silent Town.
It's so
Oh, wait,
scary.
no. Let's try a silent voice.
Ayusan na silent voice.
No, guys. This will be the most fun. I can't get in, guys.
Try get in again.
That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
I thought we were gonna